Hi guys, today I bring you another video. It's a how-to video, and today's video is about how to turn on an iPhone that just won't turn on for whatever reason. This is usually after several attempts of turning on the iPhone either through pressing the home button or through pressing the power button, and for some reason your iPhone is just not turning on. Usually this happens when it's too cold outside and your iPhone just dies, but usually when that happens you just turn it on with the power button, and that usually works. Or sometimes your iPhone just randomly shuts off like it did to like my phone a couple days ago, and I knew that it was weird and it shouldn't happen because this iPhone is actually quite new. I've had it for a little under a year, so there's no reason for it to not work properly. Um, and I was looking all over YouTube. There weren't, couldn't, I didn't find any tutorial on how to basically address this problem. So I did a bit of research and I actually came up with the solution. So if your iPhone shuts off and you press the home button and it doesn't turn on, you press the power button to turn it on, and it doesn't turn on, and you might think that, oh, maybe it just died because of the battery. It just wasn't charged. And if you charge it and it's not responding and you're just trying all these things and nothing seems to be working, before you give up, you should always try this trick because it has worked for me and I'm pretty sure it's going to work for a lot of you guys. So what I did is I put my button, well, you do this at the same time. So you press the home button and the power button at the same time for about 20 to 30 seconds. And sometimes it's going to be for a bit longer, but this should work. So you just keep pressing them and it should turn your phone on. Of course, my phone is fine now. I can't make it not work. Just for this illustration, I just turned off my phone and now it's turning back on. But you get the idea. It's just you press the home button and the power button at the same time. Usually it's for about 20 seconds, might be a little less or a little bit more, but it's about 20 seconds and it should work perfectly fine. And yeah, so that's how to turn on a phone that just shuts off and won't turn on by just pressing the home button. And it's completely charged. So there you go, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll try to do more of these videos because I've received so many great comments on the last video, and I just think that these tricks are so helpful and can really make a difference in someone's day. And I want to be there to lighten some of y'all's day. So thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video on how to, if I come by a problem and I find the solution and I think it would help some of you guys, I will definitely make a video. Thank you. Bye bye.